If your Kia Sorento's Apple CarPlay is freezing or refusing to connect, we can get it back online with these 5 simple steps. Before you blame the car, check the cord, as 85% of these issues stem from a low-quality charging cable. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find out exactly why your head unit is acting up. Start with a hard reset by pressing the pinhole button near the volume knob for 10 seconds to clear the system cache. Next, verify that your iPhone software is up to date and that Siri is enabled, as CarPlay requires it to function. Double-check your phone's permissions to ensure the car isn't being blocked while the screen is locked. Wired users should check for pocket lint in their charging port, while wireless users should clear out old Bluetooth profiles. Statistically, swapping to a genuine Apple cable fixes over 60% of all connectivity complaints in the Sorento. If it still won't connect, use a wooden toothpick to gently clear any debris from your iPhone's charging port. Keep a certified MFI cable and a paperclip in your glove box for quick on-the-road troubleshooting. Remember that your car's screen is just a computer. Sometimes a fresh reboot is all it needs to behave. If these steps helped you get back on the road with CarPlay, hit subscribe for more Kia troubleshooting guides.